University of Strathclyde Technology and Innovation Centre has recently been constructed in the centre of Glasgow and is part of an £89 million campus redevelopment. It's a 9-storey steel-framed building with a 120-minute fire rating. The architects are BDP and main contractors are Lend-Lease. The contractors have taken advantage of new intumescent coating technology to apply a thick film hybrid coating from Nullifire called SC902. It's a one-coat application hybrid intumescent that can be applied at lower temperatures and at higher humidity than conventional water-based fire protection. As per best practice, the fire protection subcontractors MGN are measuring both the temperature and the dew point before starting to protect the building's steelwork. In this instance, the temperature is 5.5 degrees. This is borderline for most intumescent coatings, but not for SC902, which can be applied down to 0 degrees C. All measurements taken prior to application are recorded. Nullifire SC902 is a 2-part product, which is conveniently packaged in 25 kg drums for mixing on site. When mixed thoroughly, Nullifire SC902 forms an off-white base coat with up to a 2-hour pot life. SC902 is a 1 or 2 coat application and is resistant to light rain in as little as 1 hour after it's applied. This is important on tall or exposed buildings where there's a risk of ingress from wind-driven rain or gaps in the temporary building seal. The product is suitable for conventional spraying machines, such as the Graco Mark V or equivalent. As a thick coat intumescent, SC902 can be used on areas of steel that are slightly gingering, which is common on sites. This would not be possible with alternative products, and the steel would need further preparation. Nullifier's SC902 is applied by Nullifier trained operators in an even movement. This can be up at a full wet film thickness of up to 6.5 mm in one coat if required on a standard beam. Care is taken to cover all areas. If this was a traditional water-based intumescent, then up to 5 or 6 coats, each with an overnight drying period, would be required to reach the same level of fire protection. With SC902, savings of up to 60% can be achieved in application and drying time. As this is a 1 or 2 coat process, then wastage is a lot less than if spraying was carried out 5 or 6 times. Also, working at heights on expensive to hire equipment is minimised. Levels of coating applied are checked using a wet film thickness gauge. Work finished for the day. Then the machines are cleaned thoroughly in the same way as for conventional intumescents. When SC902 is dry film thickness tests can be carried out. A 6.5 mm wet film thickness on a standard beam dries to give a 5.5 mm dry film thickness. This gives up to 120-minute fire protection. Using SC902 from Nullifier allows other trades to follow into protected areas more quickly. Areas are isolated for 1 or 2 days, not weeks on end while spraying is in progress. Mechanical and electrical engineers then move in to install services and pipework through the steelwork. At the Glasgow TIC, one of the main auditoriums is undergoing fit-out shortly after the steelwork has been sprayed.